that I like about camping here in Statia is that I get to wake up and see the sunrise every day, and also that I get to meet new people from around our islands.
Creating senses of wonder for children begins with stimulating their imagination at a young age, and the best way to do that is having full experience outdoors in nature. Time spent in nature has many benefits. Creates confidence, teaches responsibility, helps their physical health and mental well-being. Nature education is the core value of the Protected Area Management Organizations of the Dutch Caribbean with DCNA. Through DCNA, we have created a unified program among the islands that is set annually and is called the Junior Ranger Exchange Event. In these programs, we want to challenge students to dive deeply into the environment of our islands, outside of the classroom.
If I could be anything in nature, I would be a green turtle because they have a lot of freedom.
I like that I've been facing my fears and continuing, because everything on this island is new and strange.
Create immersive opportunities in our natural world, all the while we nurture the students to care for themselves and the natural environment. In the end, we hope to create leaders who inspire change.